Hey everybody, we're going to introduce you to everybody here at the shop. That way you know who you're seeing on camera or you know who you're talking to when you call the shop. I'll start with myself. I'm Eric. I typically answer the phones, I do the parts ordering, I check in the customers when they come in, I take care of all the sales needs. I drive a 2022 two-seat Pro R. My favorite riding spot is definitely Glamis, but I also enjoy going up north and riding in the woods and stuff like that when it's hot down here in Phoenix. I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the team. Here they are now.
My name is Brandon Schuler, and I am the bounce around guy. I answer the phones a little bit, help out customers a little bit, and help out the guys in the back. The vehicle I drive is a 2021 Turbo S four-seater. It's a Jagged X neon car. My favorite place to ride would have to probably be the dunes. I like a little bit of everything, but the dunes are definitely one of my favorite places to ride.
My name is Tyler Henry. I am a mechanic here. I do a little bit of everything mechanical-wise. I drive a 2019 Turbo S4. My favorite place to ride has got to be the dunes. I'm a desert rat by heart, but I can't get me out of the dunes.
Hi, my name's Grayson Lucas. I'm just a mechanic, just work on everything. Putting on cages, doors, oil changes, all that stuff. I drive a 2018 RS1, it's long traveled, Turbo S long travel. Definitely the dunes. The dunes are just the most fun, more adrenaline. I mean, the desert's fun, but it's a lot harder to ride fast in the desert out in Arizona.
My name is Bill Schuler with Jagged X Offroad here in Phoenix, Arizona. I have been with Jagged X Offroad since it was Jagged Extreme, and then when it was Jagged X Racing, and from day one. And man, I don't really do a whole heck of a lot around here anymore, but I'm here if they need me, and you know, I do a little janitor work and you know, run some parts for the boys. But you know what, this thing has been going on for a long time, and I'm happy to help wherever I can. Currently, I've got a number of UTVs in my stable. I've got a brand new Pro R, two-seat Pro R that's pretty well decked out, set up for the dunes and for trail riding. I've got a North Star three-seat Ranger that is for hunting and also for trail riding. And currently, we're building my wife a Crew Ranger North Star, and that's going to be the grandkid carrier. And you know what? We'll see what else comes up. I've ridden all over the Southwest, a bunch of other places. I've ridden in the mud, ridden in the mountains. I got to say that one of my favorite places to ride is still got to be Moab, Utah. Love it up there. It's beautiful. The trails are great, and every time we go, can't wait to get back.